Take a ride in the 2016 X3. BMW X3 builds on the success of the original by developing its core competencies while adding new technology to establish new benchmarks for agility, efficiency, and comfort, and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: all-wheel drive, power passenger seat, power lift gate, traction control, air conditioning, leather-wrapped steering wheel, dual airbags, heated rear seats, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.